I got my NAMM badge confirmation today. Yesterday, I booked my flight, and last week I nailed down a hotel room, which I know sounds very backwards, but the long story short, I'm going to be at NAMM 2020 next week, and it's very exciting because this show kicks off all of the things that are going to be happening this year for us as DJs and really industry-wide for the music business. The products, the innovations, the hardware, speakers, lighting, controllers, whatever you're interested in, you'll see it at NAMM. And every year, I try to do the best NAMM video that I can. I try to find things that I think are interesting to show you. When I do videos at this show, I try to work with people that I already have relationships with because it's very easy for me to go in and get really good information and exclusives. Because really, in the old days, I was the only guy walking around with a camera. Today, everybody and their grandma's walking around with a camera getting videos in booths. Everybody has a blog, everybody has a YouTube channel. But I know you guys like to see that stuff, and I'm going to do my best to get you the best of the best. What do you want to see? Let me know in the comment section. And if you are working with a company, or you are going to be at NAMM with a company, and you have something that you think might be really nice for DJs, let me know. I'd love to get to know you, and I'd love to get videos of your product and show them on the channel. And if it's really cool, maybe we can see them later on down here in the dungeon and take them out on events. We're going to see a lot of cool stuff. There are things that I'm excited about seeing that I know about that people aren't supposed to know about. And there are other things that are going to be complete surprises to me. So let me know what you want to see, and I'll do my best to check it out. That's it, guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and we'll get more videos out between here and next week. Practice and enjoy.